Hello, today I'm going to do two activities. One of the activities is to change this background here. This background to me seems to be boring, this background here. So I want to start with some very few basic steps. How do we change this background so that we make it attractive to viewers or learners? Step one, we go to the image, and then it will guide you that you select a file. So you might be having a file in your computer with some pictures. So in all those pictures, you can select one which you like. So I've selected the eagles, and the eagles are here. So as you can see that these eagles are been placed at the center of my Geogebra window. So I may want this image to spread throughout my Geogebra window. So what will I have to do? Right click on the image and go to the setting and go to the position. So in the positions, at point A, you just write corner 1, right corner 1, then come to B. In part B here, write corner 2, and finally here, write corner 4. Right there, corner 4. So when you do that, the image is placed all over your Geogebra window. So you can see your image here. But now, the challenge that we are having is that if you draw any image on top of this particular picture that you have put here, a learner might not see it. So we need also to adjust the color of this image. So go again back to the setting, go to the color, and then just reduce the color. Just reduce the color to around 25%, which will be okay. And there you are. So you can see that now you have an attractive background, which is also attractive to learners. Now, I want today to do some construction using the Geogebra tools. I want to construct an angle of 60 degrees. What will I have to do? When you are doing construction, don't use the graphical view. Just go to perspective and then go to geometry, so that you get this geometry view. This is for construction. So this one, we can remove this. So how do we construct an angle of 60? So you have few steps to make here. One is that you construct a line. Let us have a line, and you want to construct an angle of 60 at point C. So in this case, we are going to use some tools here which are very important in construction. So we can use the circular arc. We can use the circular arc at that point. So from this point here, we can first just use circular arc. Circular arc. So the challenge is, how will you know the distance from this point to the radius that you're going to pick. It is just simple. Just use E as the center and then use this point C here, and then there you are. There you are. So there is the intersection point, which we are now going to use the intersecting tool here, which will give you H. And then from point C, use the ray which will pass through that point. And then at this point, you'll have made an angle of 60 degrees here. As simple as that. That is now an angle of 60 degrees. So why are we doing this? So you can also make this better. You can do the setting. You can use a good color. You can use red, for instance. You can make it better size like that. And that is it. That is how you construct an angle of 60. This one will enable learners to learn how to do things by themselves. It is challenging sometimes for teachers to use these construction tools. So this is a way in which we can use technology in enhancing learning. Thank you.